welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D2 chapter number 4 exercise 4C, factorization by using special algebraic identities. In this lesson I will solve intermediate level question number 5 that says factorize each of the following expressions completely. Before going to the lesson, I just want to say that concepts of maths requires the integration of previous lessons and the regular reinforcements. So let's reinforce basic algebraic identities. There are three basic algebraic identities, that a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square, and a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b whole square. And the third identity is a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Let's move to a part of the question. Let's read the question. It's really important to read the question carefully. Question is 3a square plus 12a plus 12. Rewrite the question and think about the question. If we can simplify this question, we can simplify it. Like 3 is common in all coefficients, so I have to extract 3 out, and when I will be extracting 3 out, inside the bracket from 3a square I will left with a square. Then I will copy the sign as it is. From 12 I have taken 3 outside. Actually I'm reading the tables here, so I have to think about that what number after multiplication with 3 can give me 12 back. 4 times is 12, and I will write 4a and plus, then again we have the last term 12, so I will write 4 at this place and close the bracket. Now if you look at the expression which is inside the bracket, a square is a perfect square and 4 is a perfect square, so I will be applying the perfect square identity with sum on this situation. So according to that I will write 3 as it is, a whole square and plus b. I have to think about the number whose square is 4, 2 square, and at the middle place I will copy the sign as it is, 2, and a from the first place. A of the question is a from the first place, and b is 2. A and b is 2 from the second place. So what I can do is I can add one more step here to rewrite the constants in the beginning. This will become a square plus 2 into a plus 2 square, and finally I have to write it in form of a plus b whole square, and my final step will be 3 into a plus 2 and whole square. I will take a from the first place, and b from this second place, and my expression will be 3 into a plus 2 whole square. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 25b square plus 5bc plus 1 over 4 c square. If we look at the coefficients 25 and 1 over 4, they are perfect squares. So what we have to do is we have to express in form of a whole square, that is 5b whole square plus 1 over 2 c whole square, and at middle place I will write 2, a from the first place, that is 5b, a from the first place 5b, and b of the question is 1 over 2c. Is it okay? When mentally I'm simplifying this 2 with 2, I'm getting this 5 back. So this is the correct situation. Now I have to write it in form of the identity, that a plus b whole square. So I will write 5b plus 1 over 2 or half c, and I'll close the bracket and put the square. So my expression has taken this form. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move to the next question. For all these questions, I can see that If we are good at squares and square roots, we can solve these questions very easily. Let's move to C part. C part is 16 by 49 d square plus 8 by 35 df plus 1 over 25 f square. Now think about the numbers whose squares are 16 and 49 and 25. So I think 4 over 7, I have to write the square root of these numbers inside the bracket. 16 by 49 can be written as 4 by 7 d whole square, and at the last place I will write 1 over 5 and f whole square. Now at the middle place I will write 2a from the first place, that is 4 over 7d, and b from the second place, that is 1 over 5f. 1 over 5f. Now I have to write the expression in a plus b whole square form. So I'll take a from first part and b from the second part, and I'll write it in the form a 4 by 7 d plus 1 over 5 f whole square. Easy. I hope you have understood this question. Let's move to the last part of the question. The last part is h4 plus 2h square k plus k square. So express it in form of the identity h square whole square plus k whole square plus 2 into a from the first bracket, that is h square, and b from the second bracket, that is k. Now write it in the form, I have written the expression in form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now write it in form of a plus b whole square. A of the question is h square plus b, that is k, and whole square. I hope you have understood today's lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next lesson. Watch, like and share my lessons, and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time, and write your comments in comment section. Thank you very much.